welcome back to our channel. Today the boys are in the kitchen. What are you cooking today, boys?
Today we're cooking spicy chicken salad.
Sounds yummy. Let's see how you get on. So right now we have the older one here, Ray cutting up the chicken into strips. And now Ray is taking his turn to cut up the chicken breast into strips.
So now we're going to spice up the chicken. First we're adding salt, paprika, sage, mixed herbs, garlic granules, mix it up. Now take the chicken breast one strip at a time and coat it in the flour. We're going to coat the chicken a second time. After coating all the chicken strips twice, we're going to fry it. We used a whole Scotch bonnet pepper and we left the seeds in because we want it spicy.
soft.
We'll see you again when we fry up all the chicken.
Ray is still over there busy coating up the chicken, and Ray is over here frying the chicken. Busy in the kitchen.